Is the Mega Desktop app not opening, syncing, or responding properly? Don't worry. The problem could be something simple, like a temporary app glitch, an outdated version, or a connection issue. In this guide, I'll walk you through the most useful fixes, step by step. First, completely close Mega and start it again. On Windows, check the system tray and exit Mega if it's still running in the background. Then open the app again from the Start menu or desktop shortcut. Yeah, a clean restart can fix temporary problems surprisingly often. Next, check your internet connection. Open a website in your browser and make sure it loads normally. If your connection is unstable, Mega may have trouble connecting, uploading, or syncing files. Try reconnecting to Wi-Fi or Ethernet and then restart the app. Now check whether you're still signed into your Mega account. Open the Mega app and look for your account information or login status. If the session has expired, sign in again using your Mega credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account before checking your files. If the app opens but your files aren't syncing, check your sync settings. Make sure the correct local folder is connected to the intended Mega Cloud folder. Also check whether syncing has been paused or disabled, so verify the folder path before changing anything else. Another important fix is checking for updates. An outdated desktop app can sometimes cause compatibility or syncing problems. Open Mega's official website and compare your installed version with the latest available release. If an update is available, install it and restart the computer if required. If nothing else works, consider reinstalling the Mega Desktop app. First, make sure important files have finished syncing or are safely stored elsewhere. Then uninstall Mega, download the latest installer from the official source, and install it again. This can clear corrupted installation files. So if the Mega Desktop app isn't working, restart it, check your connection and account, review sync settings, update the app, and reinstall it if necessary. If the problem continues, check Mega's official support resources for the specific error. Hopefully, your desktop app is back to normal.